Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. Please note our license numbers there. If you want to find out more about us with our financial services guide, there's the link over there. So if you go to www.vectorvest.com.au, you'll get a link to our financial services guide. On the next slide here, any advice is general advice and does not consider your personal objectives, financial situations or needs. You should consider whether the advice is suitable for you and your personal circumstances. As always, past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Forecast backtests used or discussed in this presentation are intended as a guide only, and actual results may be affected by known or unknown risks and uncertainties and therefore may differ materially from the results ultimately achieved. And what I want to do here is I want to jump into viewers. So within VectorVest, in viewers, I'm going to click on Watchlist Viewer, and in here I want you to go down to the one entitled Overview Watchlists, and in there you'll note the new one, Travel and Tourism. So we're seeing that big uplift taking place in terms of, or at least a turnaround and an uplift starting to take place now with international arrivals. Time will tell. We'll keep our eye on international tourism arrivals, but the international borders are now open. So we expect tourism, most likely, hopefully, will start to pick up for our embattled travel and tourism industry. And if I right-click down the bottom here and view the watchlist average graph, what's been interesting here, and if I pull it back over in time, look at the turnaround in the earnings starting to take place. The last time we had a good little pop-up in the earnings was around about here. All right, during that time there, back in 2019, so it's been quite some time. The impact of coronavirus on this industry has been significant. All right, so we are seeing that turnaround. This is exciting to see this starting to take place. So here we get a good snapshot. If we load up here, let's add an add parameter, capital appreciation, GRT, earnings growth. So you can see, look at that, the earnings growth rate really starting to pick up nicely there as well, just to highlight that a bit better there. So interesting to see. If you have not got EPS, you add parameter and then add in under capital appreciation, you can put in EPS. All right. So look at that, an uplift in the earnings growth, an uplift in earnings. And if I add in here, let's add in sales and put in sales taking place. Are we starting to see a turnaround in the industry? Not just yet. Let's make that an area graph and make it jump out just a tad more here, just to jump out at us. So you can see here sales are still in the doldrums, but this is early days, right? This is early days. Let's keep an eye on those sales levels. We expect them to sort of come back up to pre-COVID at some point. So no signs of it picking up in terms of sales just yet. Well, have a look. You need to zoom just a little bit closer. Yep, oh, here we are. I'm proven wrong. So just zoom it in a tad. Yes, as we expect, as those international arrivals start coming in, we expect the earnings to start picking up, and earnings growth rate there. Look at that. Very encouraging to see this starting to take place. So early signs of an embattled industry about to turn around, question mark. Time will tell. So far it's looking pretty promising. So let's keep our eye on the international arrivals. Let's keep our eye on EPS, earnings per share, for our travel and tourism stocks. Let's keep an eye on the earnings growth rate, and let's keep an eye on the sales taking place across the tourism and travel stocks. So there you go, in VectorVest. Under watch lists, overview watch lists, travel and tourism, here they all are. Nice and easy here, so you can log in each day. Here's our top fundamental and technical one here as of time recording. Reef Casino, as ranked by value, safety and timing. And look at that, uplift in sales taking place, earnings growth rate picking up, earnings per share starting to pick up. So how easy does VectorVest make this each and every day? You can come in here and you can find these types of stocks where those turnarounds are starting to take place. There it is. There's 26 in total, so you'd need to scroll down for all of them there, each and every day at your fingertips. I hope you got a lot out of this video this week. Until next week, bye for now.